In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display a PDF on a Squarespace page. We'll start by heading over to Google Drive, which is a convenient platform for hosting files that you want to share directly on your website. First, make sure you're logged into Google Drive. Once you're there, navigate through your folders and locate the PDF file that you'd like to display on your Squarespace site. Having your file uploaded to Google Drive means it's easy to manage and update from any device. Once you've located your PDF, go ahead and click on it to select it. Now, look towards the upper right-hand corner of your screen. You'll see three vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. This menu is a treasure trove of additional features, and it's where you want to go next. By clicking these dots, you'll open up a submenu. From this list, select Open in New tab. This action allows us to view the PDF in a dedicated window, which is essential for obtaining the embed code we will need. With your PDF now open in a new tab, you'll notice another set of three dots in this new view. Click on these dots to access further options. Within this menu, you'll find an option labeled Embed Item. Selecting this will generate an iframe embed code for your PDF file. And don't worry, you don't need to be a code expert to work with this. Simply highlight and copy the embed code provided. This bit of code is what will make it possible to directly display your PDF on your Squarespace page. With your embed code ready, it's time to switch over to your Squarespace site. Navigate to the page where you want your PDF to appear. Once there, hover over the section where you'd like to add your PDF and click on the ADD block button. Squarespace will present you with a variety of block types. Select Embed from the options available. At this point, you'll need to click on the Edit button to customize the embed block settings. You'll then see the option to add a code snippet. Click on this and then on Embed Data. This is where you'll paste the embed code you previously copied from Google Drive. Paste it right into the provided area, ensuring that no extra spaces are accidentally included. Finally, save your changes by clicking on the Save button. Once saved, your PDF should now be visibly embedded within your Squarespace page for all visitors to view. This method not only keeps your website looking modern and professional, but it also provides a streamlined way for users to access important documents without having to download additional files. Remember, with these steps, you can easily update and manage your documents anytime through Google Drive, providing flexibility and control over how your files are shared on your Squarespace site. Thanks for watching, and happy embedding!